Myself, my name is Basil Jawish. I am the Director of Business Development of Inel. Inel is a Slovenian company. We produce machines for pharmaceutical packaging, everything related to secondary, basically, after the blister machines. Hello, my name is Pratik Kanath. I'm the director at Kanath Engineering Private Limited. One of our key specialities is in particle size reduction, in general terms called milling. So in pharmaceuticals, one of the biggest challenges is to ensure that when you're reducing a particle size, then there needs to be uniformity in that particle size reduction.
I'm Ajay Mehta, CEO of JP Machine Tools, we are into bottle packaging machines. We make world-class bottle packaging machines for powder filling lines, liquid filling lines and injectables, which is the fastest in the globe right now. That is the advanced bottle powder filling lines.
Okay, hello everyone. Sayyam Shah this side from Iconic Gears, Mumbai, is manufacturing all the gear motors below quarter HP. So that is our specialty.
Hi, this is Naveen Naulakha. मैं पुश एंटरप्राइज मुंबई से आया हूँ. Range of high protective safety equipments.
Hi, I'm Anupam Jacob from NKP Pharma. We've put up a pre-filled syringe machine, which is an open wrap. If you can have a look at that.
Hello, hi everyone. Myself Rishikeran here in Expo. I'm a leading of South entire service team for on the behalf of ACG inspection.
My name is Sahil Rana. We are from Label Packaging. Label Packaging is a Taiwanese company which specializes in labeling to palletization total automation line. Is specially used for parenterals like injections, ampules, vials, PFS, cartridges. We can also do blister for OSDs.
I am Parag Radia. I am Director of LB Bole India Private Limited. We are a subsidiary of LB Bole Germany, and our company is based in Germany. So we have 4 manufacturing plants in Germany, and in India we have a subsidiary where we are selling our technology to the pharmaceutical customers and providing after-sales service also. And our major product range are wet granulation and dry granulation and continuous manufacturing. So these are the area where we are a global leader.
This is Manoj from Naman Industries. We are participating in Pharma Expo, and the products which we are exhibiting is related to all types of bulk drug and pharma equipments like distillation columns, reactors, receivers.
This is Rajvi Mewada from Philpack Industries. We are the manufacturer of injectable vial filling lines. Our company is based from Ahmedabad. So, in this Pharma Pro and Pack 2026, we are bringing our injectable dry powder filling line.
is Shreya. I'm from LSpedia. Our product is OneScan. We are basically dealing with pharma track and trace L4 systems. And today is our first day in this expo. And right now we are having great experience. We had a lot of visitors and we are looking forward for next 2 days as well.
My name is Danish Kazi. I work with Lahari Enterprises. We are into pharmaceutical clean room consumables. So we provide all clean room consumable items like goggles, spray bottles, garments, shoes.
This is Sohail from IDEX. IDEX is a conglomerate. It is an umbrella company based in USA. We are from IDEX MPT, that is Material Processing Technology. We have several brands under it. Famous brands for pharma like Fitzpatrick, Quadro Comil, Matcott and Microfluidic. These are the brands we represent.
Kunal, I am the of PMEA Solar Tech Solutions, and we are pharma field.
Hi, my name is Shishir Mishra. I am the director of Astral Process Solution. Astral Process Solution is, I believe, the only company in India who is focused in one product, that is liquid injectable manufacturing tanks and skids. So we are supplying in all over the world. India, we are supplying to Ahmedabad, Hyderabad mostly.
Hi, this is Swaminathan here from Pakona Engineers India Private Limited. Pakona Engineers is a basically 40-year-old company, pioneers in manufacturing sachet packing machines, and we manufacture all type of sachet packing machines, okay, like vertical packing machine, horizontal packing machine, cartonator. We give all the solutions for all sachet packing machines.